Over the last few weeks on this channel, we've talked about some incredibly harsh realities shaping the 2026 tech market. We talked about why the average software engineer who just writes boilerplate is facing obsolescence. We talked about why modern vibe coding is an amazing tool to accelerate your speed, but won't get you hired by a Tokyo CTO if you lack core engineering roots. And we looked at the data proving that mass applying to job boards on LinkedIn is a complete black hole for international talent. If you've watched those videos, you might be thinking, okay, it sounds like the front door into Japan's tech scene is completely jammed shut. And you're right, it is. If you try to walk through the front door, competing with 2,000 other global applicants on public job board, playing automated HR keyword scanner doesn't filter out your location, your chances are close to zero. But here is the secret that nobody else is telling you. The elite developers who are successfully moving to Tokyo right now for 2 million plus yen aren't even looking at the front door. They are using the side door. They bypass HR entirely. They skip the algorithm filters. They go straight to the technical decision makers at fast-growing, highly funded startups before those jobs ever become public. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how the side door mechanics work. And more importantly, I have the biggest announcement in the history of this channel that will completely automate this side door for you. Let's get into it. What's up guys? It's Kei here, as a founder and CEO of a tech recruitment agency here in Tokyo. I live behind the scenes of the ecosystem. When a tier 3 startup in Tokyo, say a company that just secured a 1.2 billion yen Series B funding round, needs to scale their product velocity, they don't immediately go write a generic job description and post it on global job boards. Why? Because they don't have the time or the HR bandwidth to read thousands of random resumes. Instead, the CTO talks to the venture capital network, hits up local agency databases, or looks for high-intent, high-leverage builders who land directly in their network. The side door is the art of positioning yourself so that you appear right in front of that CTO exactly when they are flush with venture cash and desperate for talent. It's about moving away from being a passive job seeker and becoming a targeted high-value asset. Let's break down the 3 core pillars you need to master to unlock the side door on your own. Pillar 1. Tracking the venture capital flow. The front door makes you look at open jobs. The side door forces you to look at capital flow. You need to know which venture capital firms are actively funding Tokyo tech startups right now. When a company raises a massive round, they have strict growth milestones they promise their investors. To hit those milestones, they must hire senior talent immediately. If you can map out companies that raised capital in the last 3 to 6 months, you have a list of high-paying targets that are ready to sponsor visas. Pillar 2. High-intent direct outreach. Once you have the target, you skip the apply button. You find the engineering managers, the tech leads, or the CTO on GitHub, Twitter, or via professional networks. But you don't send them a generic message saying, please give me a job and a visa. That is front door behavior. Instead, you drop a high intent, high leverage pitch. You mention their recent funding, reference a specific technical challenge they are facing with their architecture scaling, and show them a project where you used AI workflows to ship a similar product at 3x velocity. You treat them like a peer, not a boss. Pillar 3. Mastering the Tokyo tech disclosure. You have to prove you aren't just tourists trying to escape your home country. You need to show you are plugged into the local ecosystem. When you can speak fluently about the trends Tokyo CTOs care about, whether it's a shift in local engineering frameworks or how mega ventures are adapting to AI leverage, you instantly stand out. You bridge the culture gap through technical excellence and localize the context. It's a big problem, the execution barrier. Now, let's be entirely honest. When I map out this side door framework, it makes complete sense, right? It's logical, it's highly strategic, and it works flawlessly. But when you actually sit down to execute it on your own from overseas, you hit a massive wall. Where do you find the unedited fundraising data if you don't speak fluent Japanese? How do you know which specific CDOs are open to visa sponsorship and which ones strictly require native Japanese? How do you write an outreach pitch that sounds professional to a Tokyo tech leader without sounding awkward? It takes months of try and error, endless research, and deep industry connections to build the system from scratch. And that is exactly why I made the biggest strategic decision of my entrepreneurial career. I realized that instead of just telling you how to build a side door, I should just build it for you. This summer, I am launching the Japan Tech Playbook 2026 again. I have taken entire internal infrastructure, the data processing systems, and the direct outreach frameworks from my own Tokyo tech recruitment agency, and I have packaged them into a definitive step-by-step master blueprint for international engineers. Inside the playbook, you are getting the pre-vetted Tokyo startup directory, bypass blueprint, and outreach scripts, the local tech brain guide. And to make this launch an absolute milestone for our community, I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm hosting an exclusive 5-day birthday launch from July 15th to July 19th, starting exactly on my birthday. So these 5 days only, everyone who is our private waitlist will receive a massive one-time birthday discount alongside early access to our private community hub. Once the birthday clock runs out on July 19th, this exclusive discount and the launch bonuses disappear forever. The front door is broken. The side door is officially open, and I'm handing you the blueprint. Click the link in the description right now, secure your spot on the waitlist, and let's get you ready to unlock Tokyo on July 15th. Thank you for all the support. Get ready for an explosive July, and I'll see you guys in Tokyo. ありがとうございました。